So today I want to teach you how to make a good and lasting perfume. All right. Now, if you want to make a good perfume, you need to realize that fragrances have three families or three notes. We have the base notes, we have the middle notes, and we have the top note. Now, if you look at base notes are fragrances that can last for a week or weeks when you apply them before they get exhausted. A typical example is vanilla or rose or even rosemary. You can make your findings when you want to make your own perfume. Okay? Then the middle notes, these are fragrances that can last for hours or days before they get exhausted when you apply them. A typical example is lavender. Okay? Jasmine also does that. Now, finally, the top notes. These are fragrances that when you apply them, they will last for minutes or just an hour and they will get exhausted. A typical example, these are citrus fruits fragrances like lemon, apple, and all that. So, if you want to make a very good perfume, you need to make research on these three notes. With more of these base notes, you need to put more of these base notes and little of the middle notes and the top note for the perfume to last for a very long time. I also have my glycerin here because I want to produce roll-on here. If you want to make the perfume that is not roll-on, you just use more of the IPA. This is my IPA. So I want to just use a little of it and more of this glycerin. Okay. So the ratio of this is 1:2. So it's very good. It's a very good formula. That is fragrance oils. Okay. One, and the alcohols. Two. The alcohols, they serve as solvents. All right. Like this glycerol now, it serves as a solvent number one. It's also a moisturizer and it helps the perfume to last long as well. Okay. So now let's get down to the business. So this is my base note, which is vanilla. So I want to use this as my measuring device. I want to use this. So if I get one full of this, these base notes, okay, so I'll get just, it's not up to, it's just almost above half. Okay, then I'll use this to fill it up, which is the top note. Okay, so I got fragrance oils, two of these. Okay, so this one should be four. All right. This is glycerol. Okay, so I'll get three of this and one of IPA, that is isopropyl alcohol. All right. Wow. And you turn it very well. Turn it very, very well. Okay. Wow. This is very good. Wow. Okay. So you can allow this to settle before putting it in your bottle. Okay. If you like, you can still put it in your bottle. So this type of perfume now, you see, it will last for a very long time when you apply it. It will last for a very long time. So if you want to make a very lasting and very good and lasting perfume, you need to, make use of the base notes very well, followed by the middle notes, and then finally the top notes. Okay. So if I apply this now, please roll on. Okay. Wow. This is good. So thanks for watching.